Hello guys and welcome to a new brand video. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to use Microsoft Teams on your Apple Vision Pro. So make sure you watch the video to the end and follow these simple steps. So as you can see, there is this Microsoft Teams on Apple Vision Pro. So all you need to do first is to get your Microsoft Teams on Apple Vision Pro. So basically, we will need just to go to the App Store and search for Microsoft Teams and just get your application and install it, and then you will be able to start using your Microsoft Teams. So basically, you will need just to open first your home view on your Apple Vision Pro. And to do so, you will need just to click on your digital crown here, this circular button on your Apple Vision Pro. You click on it, and then you will have this view that will be showing. And then all you need to do is to open your App Store. Basically, you need just to tap on App Store and you will be able to open App Store. Then you will have this App Store view. And then all you need to do is to go to the search bar or the search button, tap on it, and then search for Microsoft Teams. You click on the get that you will have next to the application. You add your password of your Apple ID, and you will have Microsoft Teams on your Apple Vision Pro. And now all you remain to do is to start using using Microsoft Teams. So basically, you will have your Microsoft Teams on the apps of your Vision Pro. You tap on it, and then you will start having your own uh, Microsoft Teams on Apple Vision Pro. And basically, it will be similar as you are using it on your phone or your desktop. Here you will have your chats. This is the navigation bar. Here you can find your contacts, your calendar, where you can find your meetings. Here you can start like calling other person like with the number, and here of course this is only the notification center. And as you can see, you can start clicking here on the plus, so you can start sending emojis, media, you can send audios, you can type the messages with the virtual Apple Vision Pro keyboard, and of course you can start new conversations and other things like the video call or the audio call. So basically this is how you can do it. Thank you for watching and see you next time.